months ago, we set out on the challenge of renovating the world of single-user transportation. Our aim was to design a vehicle capable of transporting humans over a short distance in a sustainable manner. In the process, we found the route, and our first vehicle was the Route 7E. The Route 7E is a pedal-assisted cargo cycle. It can transport its user and a payload of 100 kilos, or a volume of 1000 liters. The Route 7E is equipped with a Shimano motor to make traveling uphill more comfortable for the user. This vehicle is aimed at the ever-growing market of delivery services, vehicle sharing, and for consumers who simply wish to travel in a more eco-friendly way.
When designing the 7E, we envisioned a modern minimalistic design. The bold proportions, clear contours, and precise lines helped us create a unique futuristic design. The marvel of the design of a 7E starts from a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and the creativity of a designer. On that paper, where the main lines that represent route DNA are sketched, true works of art are brought to life. For the 7E, we took inspiration from local culture and our rich heritage. The vehicle was dressed in hexagons, inspired by the very bees that roam our countryside. The flagship model is dressed in thrush blue, a nod to the blue-brock thrush, the national bird. Considering the commercial model, we opted for the bold decision of offering this model with removable doors. This allows commercial users to access the vehicle easier and quicker, reducing weight and making the use of the vehicle more time efficient.
One of the founding pillars of Route is connectivity. We wanted to create a vehicle which is truly connected to the outside world. A mobile phone app allows you to control features of the vehicle remotely, whilst the built-in touchscreen allows further IoT connectivity. The Route 7E was launched as a product service system. Apart from the 7E, we are also launching route sharing and route delivery. Route sharing focuses around vehicle sharing, whilst route delivery aims to connect people more than ever through a fast courier service available at the palm of your hand.